Hey everyone, Eddie O'Day here with a quick December market update and a preview of this week's newsletter. Let's take a look at how the market finished out 2025 and what it means heading into the new year. Prices continued to soften in December. Year over year, median prices were down 1.7%, and we ended the year for the triangle, a median price of 460,000. For context, the median price back in July was 488,000. So that's a 6% decline from the highs. It was sort of a slow progression down based on just, again, lots of inventory, higher rates, and just not enough buyers in the market because of that. At the same time, lower prices and seller incentives really helped drive activity to close out the year. So in December, closed sales jumped 20% over November and were up 13% compared to last year, which tells us that buyers are stepping back in when the numbers make sense. If you're a buyer right now, this is market where you can be aggressive still. And I mean aggressive in a smart way. Ask for those closing costs, keep your due diligence fees lower. Don't be afraid to request from the seller rate buy downs or concessions, even help with paying for your buyer's agent's fees. And definitely don't overlook new construction. Builders are offering some of the best incentives we've seen. I just locked in a buyer in late November, 4.99 fixed rate with a 3-2-1 buy down. That means in year one, their interest rate was 1.99, and it would go up over the next 3 years to 4.99 in year four. They also got a fridge, a washer dryer, blinds, and 20,000 off list price. If you're not looking at new construction, I'd really encourage you to do so. Take a look back at my November newsletter, The Edge, and it talks about the reasons why you should be looking at new construction. And I think that happens now in the new year as well. But if rates do dip below 5%, this market could change quickly. So definitely jump on these incentives from the builders if you can. For sellers, timing really matters. Depending on this situation, it might make sense to wait until a little later in Q1 of this year to list. Homes that are in great condition and strong locations are still selling, but pricing and preparation are more important than ever. In this week's newsletter, I also share my 2026 market predictions. Let's see how I do. I was pretty good predicting 2025 mid-year. I highlight also in the newsletter why Chatham County is one of the hottest areas in the state, and walk you through a new home search tool on my website, explorenorthcarolinahomes.com, that makes finding homes easier and smarter. Really good search site. Check it out below. The video below that I made is a tutorial sort of on how to search and how to use some of the functions of the site. As always, let me know if you have any questions in this newsletter. You can click the Discovery Call with Eddie, which just basically puts time on our schedules to chat. Happy New Year. I hope you have a wonderful 2026. Thank you.